return orders, right? Let us take student marks. Just take different example today. Let us take employee ID, employee name, department. Okay. Employee ID 101. P1. Department 10. Salary 1000. Employee ID 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Employee 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Department 10, 20, 20, 30, 40. 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. Let us take 1000, 1000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 5000, 6000. Okay. 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 5, 6, 8, 100. So, let us use this data. Employee dot CSV. And let us upload this in storage browser. Blob containers, incoming. We already have few set of files. I am uploading one more file. Desktop emp. Okay. Upload. So my file is available now. I want data filter. Let's take here data filter. Okay. Now, what do I need to do here? Anyone? What do I need to do here? What I need to create?
Data flow.
Data flow. Create a data flow. Okay. What is my source? Guide me. Someone please guide me. Last time we have done something. Do you guys remember what we have done? We have done something. What is this? Do you remember what is this? We have done aggregation, right? Okay. Similarly, just guide me with this. What is the source? Okay. Add source. Here, data set. I need to add blob storage, continue, delimiter, continue. What is my linked service? Blob storage. Okay, first row is header. Okay, what I'll do, I'll choose the file. Which file we need to, which is our file? Period.csv. Okay, now this is my source. Okay, let us do data preview. I am enabling this data flow debug to check the data preview. Okay. So, data preview. Refresh. Let us see if my data is coming. If you look at this, I have my data available. Okay. Now, what I want to do here is I will just use this window function. Okay. Here, what we are going to is on which column. If you look at the window functions here, whatever we have discussed, how we have written, over partition by some column and order by some column, right? For employee ID, what we will be doing, if it is for salaries, how we will write, select star, comma, let us take if it is a row number. If I need it on department ID, partition by department ID, order by salary descending, right? This is how we will be writing, right? If it is row number, it will give row number. If it is dense rank, it will give the ranking. If it is rank, it will be given the rank. So here, what we are doing this. So which column we need to give? So I need it based on department ID sort which column? Salary in descending. Okay, and window functions, we need to use the window functions. Okay, expression builder. Which one? I'll just use it something like R and K. And here I will write, we are using row number, right? Let us use row number. Save finish. Data preview. So I have given department wise salary descending. Okay. So for the department wise, okay, I give same salary for the each department, right? So that's a see if it is a row number. I'm using row number. So even if it is same salary, it is taking one, two, three. See department. Once the department got changed, it is having one, two, three. Okay. This is row number. If I use row number, let us take one more column. Let us say if we have same salary, how it behaves, then we'll see what it is. Okay. Department wise, okay, rank and bench rank. See, you're having same salary. It is the highest salary, so you're getting this. Now, what we'll do is we'll create a new file with this one, 1000. First, we will remove this over partition. Then I will explain you different examples. Now, look at the example of this. Okay. Overall, see, I have removed this. I have removed partition by. I just gave only order by salary descending or order by salary descending. I have removed the department ID, right? If you have seen that in the Windows setting, I have removed over partition by. I just kept sort order by. Okay. When you look at the data, see this is dense rank, this is rank, and this rank. Order by salary descending. So it's coming back. It is if you look at the salary descending, in the entire table, I have 7,000 as the highest salary. Okay. Look at the row number. Row number, it is sequentially. It is giving a sequential output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Irrespective of your department and the salary, it is giving 1, 2, 3, 4 because you are giving this. Now, if you look at the rank, highest salary got 1, second highest salary got 2, third highest salary got 3. 3,000 is repeated. That means same salary. So it gave 4 as a rank 3 times. So what happened? As it has repeated 4, 4, 4, it is skipping next 2 ranks. Says 5, 6. This 5, 6 is skipped. Subsequent rank is skipped and it is showing 7. Whereas dense rank, if you look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, it is not skipping the rank. It is showing as 5. Okay. Let us see one more example with department wise. Department wise, let us take this one as well first. 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. That is for department. 10, 20, 20. Again, I have the same salaries. This is my save as employee1.csv. Okay, employee, let us take employee 3 as 30, 30, 3, 4, 5. Save. Okay, where is the storage? Storage. I'll upload that employee1.csv here. Uploaded. Now, this is one example. Let me create one more data. Add source, new data set as a blob storage. Continue. And this is our blob storage file. Incoming. Employee 1. Okay. Okay. And data preview. Refresh. Switching data. Okay. So trend has different sets of data. Now let us add one window function. So here, let us keep department ID and sort on what basis we are doing. Salary in the descending order. And in the window functions, let us add those three. This is row number. I will use row number, create new column. I will use rank, create new column. I will use denser. Save and finish. Save and finish. So, what is this? Row number, it is not coming. Sorry, row number. Okay. Now I have these three. I have kept our department ID. Let us refresh data and see what will happen. I'm using all the three Windows functions at a time. Okay. Department wise, if you look at this data for 10 row number, department wise, it is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once the department has got changed, again the row number is starting from 1. Look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once the department got changed from 20 to 30, again 1, 2, 3. Row number is a sequential number, right? What I have explained, row number is a sequential number where it will give the output. So based on the given number, where is that? results is sequence number starting with 1 until the partition ends. So partition by whatever the column we have given, based on that, this will be resulting. And what about rank? See this department wise. See results ranking starting with 1 until the partition ends. If the same value is repeated, that same rank will be allocated, and for the next value, subsequent rank will be skipped. That means for 10, see this is the order by salary designing. This is the first rank. 4,000 is the second rank. 3,000, 3,000, same salary. So it is getting repeated. Same salary means same rank will be repeated. And for the next value, subsequent rank will be skipped. 5, 5. Okay. See for the 20 department. First salary is 1, second salary is 3,000 two times, so 2, 2, 2. Subsequent ranks will be skipped for the next value. That means 3 and 4 will be skipped because 3 times. If you're having 2 times, what will happen if you have 2 times? See, 1 rank will be skipped. So how many number of times it repeats, that many number of ranks will be skipped. 2, 2, 2. So 3 times 2 is 8. That means third, fourth will be skipped. You'll be getting fifth rank. If there is no repeated value, it will be continuous. Say this 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is rank. What about dense rank? It is same as the rank. Results ranking starting with 1 until the partition ends. If the same value is repeated, same rank will be good, and for the next value, it continues the ranking. Okay, it will not skip. Subsequent rank will not skip. Look at the example 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. In the rank, your fourth rank is getting missed. So you're directly jumping from 3 to 5. But here you're not skip. Okay, and look at this 1, 2, 2, 2. It is going to 3. But here what happened? It is skipped. In these examples, if I want to filter, okay, so you have multiple values here. Okay, let us take rank equal to 3. Okay, save data preview. Where is 20 department? I need third highest salary. I need third highest salary for each department. Then what is happening here? If I use rank, what is happening to rank? So here, if you look at this, for the 20 department, you don't have 3 and 4. So you will not get the third highest salary for the 20 department if you use rank. Suppose if I use, instead of this, if I use dense rank instead of rank, data preview, refresh. I'm getting third highest salary. See this 3, 10, 20, 30. This is how in ADF we'll be using. So what we are doing based on this SQL statement, if you look at this SQL statement which we have written, get the third highest salary, second highest salary. So whatever we have done, okay, this is what we are doing in ADF. You are taking partition by department, order by salary descending from employee, and base rank equal to 2. If you don't use partition by department, then you will get this one. So if you don't use this partition by department, I think we have seen this in this data flow, right? So we have not used any over. This is overall, and you can use the filter to get the second highest salary. Okay, this is how we'll be using window functions. Okay, we should use all these things. See, when you're using window functions, you don't need to sort, right? So you can, it will internally, it will take all the sort and it will take it. Okay, got it? Is it clear how we will use window functions in ADF?
Yes.
And how you will execute this data flow? How you will execute this data flow? Hmm?
Take a pipelines.
You will invoke this data flow in the pipeline and execute, right? I haven't given any sync, so that's why if I click on this validate, it is showing that no sync transformation found in the data flow. Okay, so we should have a sync, our target. Okay, just add that sync, use this window. So whatever the queries I have given, try to implement these queries, whatever we have done, try to implement all these queries, even identifying the duplicates as well. Try to implement based on the select statement. If you are able to implement ADF, then you are familiar with ADF. See, these two are interrelated for any requirement. If you are able to write the SQL, you can able to do this ADF, especially this data flow, mapping data. Okay, is it clear? Are we good? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have discussed copy data and this data flow. In next session, let us go with the other options. Okay, we have other options like get metadata, lookup. Okay, set variable. When we are using these variables, we'll have these parameters as well. So whatever, if you look at these parameters, let us start with parameters. Or let's discuss this from tomorrow's session. Let us discuss this get metadata, lookup, set variable, and then we'll go for parameters. Few of the options we don't have. See this SSIS package. Okay, and we don't have this any database available. I will see if I have any database in my thing, but we'll see the store process to create. Or we can use this Azure SQL Server. We'll have that store process executed. Okay, and I'll just show you how we can use this web activity as well. The latter sessions, like it will have, we need to have a URL to read. Okay, so that URL I need to set up some URL. Okay, this is like APIs. So if you use this web URLs, if you know something, like when you click on any link, it will automatically download, right? So that kind of activity you can use that in ADF. You will access to that link, you'll connect to that link, you will get that response, and you will read, you will move that file, response file into ADF. From there on, it is same. You will use this copy data, or you will use this data flow to perform some actions, or you will use PySpark to perform some actions. Okay. Let us look all these sessions. Tomorrow, let's start with get metadata or lookup or variables. We'll start with this. But I want you guys to practice on data flow and create these data flow pipelines and execute.